This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Jeanette Sainer. Say what? An accessible farmhouse on 3 acres, in Susquenita School District. 1/3 wooded to watch and feed deer and wildlife. 2/3 RDS open for meadow or gardening. Bring your loved ones and animals and green thumb. 4 bedrooms need updated flooring and replacement windows. 2006 asphalt shingled roof. Private covered rear deck for relaxing and enjoying picnics. Galley country kitchen with adjacent formal dining room. Paneled den, opens to the partial stairway divided living room layout. 2-story old poultry building for storage/smokehouse/lawn shed and 20x18 block car garage and garden shed round out the homestead for efficient uses. Take a look, add your splash of personality and call me home. For more information.